Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. We are in the holy month of Ramadan, and when I saw my mom and dad cooking, I wanted to take it and share it right away. Now they are making a dish called traditional oiling. Yeast dough was made, and after resting, round small dough balls were prepared. After resting the dough balls for 1 hour, round lavash breads are made. The dough contains wheat flour, fresh yeast, salt and water. You can open it with a thin rolling pin or roller by adding flour. It will be difficult to open it with a rolling pin. It can be 30 centimeters in size. Here we have a pre-BC stove that we use to cook lavash, thanks to the thin iron heated on it. We can cook 3 to 4 lavash breads at the same time. Ingredients will be added on these breads and there will be food, preparing for iftar. We have 40 minutes now. This traditional lubrication, as the name suggests, is a dish with oil, yogurt, minced meat sauce and served hot. This meal, which takes the lead among kayseri dishes, is therefore not a meal eaten on special occasions such as weddings, engagements, betrothal, circumcision, birthdays. Kayseri lubrication is a dish that is usually made for guests coming home or in daily family meals and eaten with pleasure. After roasting with oily ground beef, onion, pepper, tomato, you can add spices, salt and parsley. Bone broth is added to the roasted ground beef. It should be a little juicy so that the breads get a little wet, otherwise it will be very dry. The lavash breads are added in layers and ground beef with bone broth is added and spread on the breads. You can make 6 layers. You need to adjust the water ratio well. It will be better to add less or more water according to the dryness of the breads. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. Oiling, sebit oiling, is a traditional dish of Kayseri region. If you happen to be in Kayseri one day, what can I eat in Kayseri? What is Kayseri famous for? If you ask them, they will tell you first Kayseri ravioli and then Kayseri oiling. It is built on 6 floors and will be enough for 3 people. You can roast it in the oven for 15 minutes. Served with ayran on the side. Imagine, a sauce with minced meat, tomato and pepper is poured over the thin lavash rolls that are opened by hand. And this is done in 8 to 10 layers. Afterwards, you reach the peak of taste with garlic yogurt drizzled on it. Milky head made as a dessert. Carrot purple cabbage lettuce as seasonal salad, add olive oil, pomegranate syrup and lemon juice on it. The table has been prepared and the call to prayer is expected. Bon appetit to those who will make it. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.